Hello everyone, here I am going to solve 2017 CSAT question number 31 from question paper series A. A watch loses 2 minutes in every 24 hours, while another watch gains 2 minutes in every 24 hours. At a particular instant, the two watches showed an identical time. Which of the following statement is correct if 24-hour clock is followed? And here we have four statement. Let's see. The two watches showed the identical time again on completion of option A 30 days, option B completion of 19 days, option C the two watches shows the identical time again on completion of 120 days, and option D none of the above statement is correct. So here it is said that there are two watches, watch 1 and watch 2. Watch 1 lose 2 minutes in every 24 hours. That means every day it loses 2 minutes. Suppose it is starting with 00. Then after 1 day, the time will be in actual clock. If it is after 24 hours, in this watch 1, it will be 11, 50, not 11, here it is 24 hour clock. Therefore, 23 hours and 58 minutes. Then in watch 2, it will be 2 minutes ahead. Then after 10 days, here 10 days, each day it is losing 2 minutes. That means in 10 days it loses 20 minutes. 2 into 10, 20. So we get 23. We are deducting 20 minutes from the 0 hour. So we get 23:40. And similarly here it shows 20 minutes. 0 hour and 20 minutes. Similarly, here it is given that 3 option. The two watches shows the identical time again on completion of. Earlier at 00 both the watches were showing the identical time. After 1 day it shows 23:58. Here it shows 2 minutes. Here then after 10 days it is 23 hours and 40 minutes. Here it is 20 minutes. Similarly, when these two clocks shows identical time again after this 00, that is what we have to find. And here they are given 3 statement. It will be either on 30 days, 90 days, 120 days, or none of the above statement is correct. So we will find in 30 days, each day it lose 2 minutes. So 30 days in 30 days it lose 2 into 30, 60 minutes. That means 1 hour. So the clock shows 23 hours. But here it shows 1 hour. Then second statement is after 90 days. After 90 days means 2 into 90, 180 minutes already lost. So 180 minutes means 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. Therefore 180 minutes equal to 180 by 60, we get 3 hours. So deducting 3 hours from this, so we get 24 hours minus 3 hours, we get 21 hours. And similarly here gaining 3 hours after 90 days. So 3 hours. This watch shows, this 24-hour watch shows 3 o'clock, and here it is 21 hours. Similarly, after 120 days, the third statement is 120 days. So let's see whether it is shows an equal time after 120 days. 120 days means 2 into 120, we get 240 minutes. 240 minutes equal to 240 divided by 60, we get 4 hours. So from 24 hours clock, if we deduct 4 hours, it comes 20 hours. And here it is 04 hours. So in all these three options given, we are getting different time in each clock. That means the two watches shows the identical time again on completion of none of these days. So our answer is none of the above statement is correct. Option D. If you have any suggestions, please do comment. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Keep supporting and loving us. Jai Hind.